one of us now, so let me take you by the hand. Oh, sorry guys, didn't know you were there. Let's get started. I forgot I hadn't made a video for a while. I actually just made one today already, but it's too fun not to make videos. 4 in 5 minutes. Squidward! My worst nightmare. Oh god, sorry, I never did like Squidward and SpongeBob. Ah! I'm sorry guys, I'm playing outside today. Got kicked out of my house again. I don't want him to come in here. Because I'm gonna jump up and say, here, no Squidward. Ah! Oh, that scared me. Okay, sorry, fireman. I can't pull over. I'm not in the car. Ah, get up. Oh, I hate this. I love being up here, but last video I jumped on my brother's head. I actually think I sent that on his channel, but yeah, go check out my best friend's channel too. He's the best. And I got some new dances too. I forgot to, even if you can show it on this game, I don't think we can. Maybe Murder Mystery we can. Let's go check out. Oh, we can't come out. That's he's gone. I'm grateful. This girl, are you okay? Wait, it's my girlfriend. Gotta be the bad guy. And where we play. Hope that you can stay. Maybe easy isn't everything that he seems. Time to invest. I didn't even touch him. But look how cute he is. Underneath the scene. Sorry for being suspicious. It's just on my brain. I'm programmed to see if there's another map of the band. Sorry, I don't know all the lyrics of that song, but I'm into Five Nights at Freddy's. Who is it? No, I hate that movie. No. No. To the no. 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 People, you're stupid. You're in front of the door. They must have guys watched the movie, but still, you're stupid. Help me up. My brother is pretty tall in his skin. Okay. I don't think my brother actually has a channel. I think I just made one for him. One of my best friend is in the Royal fan. Well, how did I die? Look how cute that wolf girl is. Stop! Get off me, you stupid bug. Cat. I don't like bugs. Is that bug stinging me? No, I think I killed it. Okay. That's in the shop. I have 30 points. Do you really need 100 to get all of these? Oh, I think you get points just for surviving. You get 10 each, so I think I can do this. And if I get a prize at the end, get me to 100 likes. I almost said 200 likes. Oh, Squidward again. No! Okay, I'm in the wall. I'm safe. I'm safe. Even though my head's sticking out of the wall. Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. That's it, I don't think he's allowed back there. Yay! How many points did I get? Yeah, I got 10. Okay. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Ink machine. Okay, I might reset once I get 100 points. No, Ink Machine's my favorite game. I think we're actually connected to the other world, but I don't. Sorry for being suspicious. Please don't kill me. I was doing so good. Ooh, you're so ugly. You're so ugly. I think I'm actually still alive. No, I'm not. I can't get the point now. I think I need to reset. I think I'm going to do one more floor, and that might be that for the video. Because YouTube makes my videos short. So, yeah. Creepy elevator, creepy elevator. Basically, yes, my best friend is Marcus, and he has this kitten, if you haven't seen that video. I guess that'll be it. I lost connection. But that will be it for today, people.